Hello there, my name's Matthew Abbott and I'm an educator based in Cornwall in the UK. I've got over 20 years of CAD experience and 20 years of teaching experience, and I teach SketchUp on a daily basis to degree level students. So in this series of videos coming up, I'm going to teach you from knowing absolutely nothing about SketchUp Make 2017, how to install it, how to use the basic tools, and then how to finally create a chair object like I've got here that you can then look around and then record an image of, and then you can upload it. So hopefully I'm going at a nice speed for you, and hopefully the instructions are nice and simple for you to follow. And in the future I'm going to endeavour to make more videos along a similar kind of way of thinking and way of working. Thank you.